I could hear more in there.
Oh no, don't say that.
Hear it?
There's more?
Yeah, you can hear it.
Hey cool cats, so today we are dumping a lot of the trash in the trash bins. It's starting to pile up in front of the house and I don't like it, it stinks. And sorry we didn't vlog the last couple days, or so. I've been so busy and doing other things and so didn't vlog, but we're back. So there's gonna be times when we don't vlog. I mean, hopefully just short periods of time. But I'm not going to put pressure on myself to vlog daily right now. We're going to do almost daily, like try to. I think I've said that many times. But just so you guys know, the ones who haven't seen the videos, that I say that. Anyway, so Richie's going to drive out down the dirt road. Huh, Richie? Mm-hmm. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Ethan's sitting back there.
Found these chips that I had that I never ate.
Oh, cool. And my beautiful daughter's right there. Here we go. Richie's excited, having some fun. We'll let Alex drive on the way out this next load. Let's just get all the garbage done. You know?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're here at the trash bins. I don't know if you can see them over there. But it stunk so bad on the way here. It smelled like a freaking dead body in the car. I'm not kidding. I think it's like the old chicken carcass that was in the garbage. Horrible. Not a dead body like a human, but like a dead cat or something. That's what it smelled like. What, Ethan?
Flies in the car.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of flies in the car because they were in that garbage bin. It's so gross. Thank you, Richie and Alex, for dumping that. Hey guys, one more trash load to go. Hey, Ethan. One more trash load to go, and then we can head to town. We need to head to Tulsa because we need to get check our fan mail. I think somebody sent something. They let us know they sent something. I think it was Hayley. Hey, Hayley. Say hi to Hayley. She said she sent something. So we want to go check it and not let it sit too long. And we need to go shopping and stuff like that. Run a few errands. So that's about it right now.
Okay guys, so we're done doing the garbage and now we're gonna go and eat Subway because it is lunchtime and I'm hungry. And I'm probably gonna get the same thing as always, the Italian BMT. It's the best thing ever. Which, for my nickname, I made up my own sandwich because I don't get the original Italian BMT. I add stuff to it like ranch, and I call it the sexy sandwich. So, I'm going to get a sexy sandwich, and I don't know what Ethan's going to get.
Get the same thing.
He's going to get a sexy sandwich too. Let me get buckled, but not buckled.
A 6-inch sexy sandwich.
Yeah, he's going to get a 6-inch. Anyway, I will see you guys later.
So we're here at Subway and I got myself a salad, so did Alex. And the boys got a sub. Is that what you call the sexy sandwich, Richie? See, what's in it? So that looks good. And Ethan got the same one as Richie, but just a 6-inch though. So we're gonna eat lunch and then we're gonna head to Tulsa. Hey guys, so we ate lunch. We finally just got to town. We just checked our fan mail P.O. box and we have our first fan mail. There it is. Is it in there?
Yeah.
Thank you, Hayley, so much. We're gonna open it when we get home. We're really excited to see what you sent.
Okay guys, so we're at PetSmart and we're looking at the animals, me, Alex, and Ethan. My mom is talking to some people about the baby birds that we're looking for food birds for. See that one right there?
Look at that dark green one right there. Oh, that one?
Yeah, look at
The pale one.
Look at that one. That one's so cool. It's like yellowish, bluish, and whitish. It's so cool.
I think the dark blue one is cool too.
Yeah.
Or it's like indigo.
Look at that one. It has a big wing. It has big wings.
So big stuff here.
They haven't added any birds over here. Have you noticed they got new cages?
Yep.
It's so cool.
So I think I mentioned it this morning in the vlog, but if not, we found baby birds. The nests fell in the chimney all the way to the bottom. Some are dead, some crawled out into the garage and died, and there's a newborn baby that hasn't even opened its eyes yet, and 2 like feathered ones. And then there's also some baby ones that are clawed into the, like holding on for dear life and up inside the chimney. And so we just figure we're gonna feed it until we can figure out what to do with them, like give it to a rescue or a place that knows what they're doing with them. We'll see how it goes. But here's some video clip of last night when we found the birds. Oh my gosh. Look.
Oh, all of them are alive.
Oh my gosh. There's more than one. Look at this, you guys. We just found a whole nest of babies that just came out of this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, one of them's bigger than the other one.
I'll get them. Where's the box?
No, what if the mom could really feed them in there?
It really can't, Mom. We're gonna have to pick them up anyway.
What if that's just where their nest has been the whole time?
It's broken. Look. All of them are broken.
Look, you guys, there's broken nests. I think they fell. Oh, and there's like a newborn right here.
I believe they're sparrows. That's what
There's
they
a
look
newborn
like.
right there. Poor thing. Okay, so we're gonna put it in this box and we're gonna leave it in here in case the parents come back and feed them.
Put it next to the other big one.
And the reason we're doing this is because when I was a kid, I found a baby bird, and every single day I would take it to the parent,
I could hear
and
more.
it would feed it.
I could hear more.
Oh no, don't say that.
Hear it?
There's more?
Yeah, you can hear it.
Okay, so that was the clip of last night. I decided last night to vlog, even though we didn't vlog yesterday, just so I could throw it into the vlog today. But yeah, that's what's happening right now. So now we're gonna head to the store.
Okay, guys, so we're at Walmart now, and we're gonna get some food, maybe some other stuff. Who knows? But yeah, right now we're just looking at the fruit. I don't know what kind of fruit, but it's fruit.
I'm looking at some blueberries. I like to munch on blueberries.
I like to call them blubberies.
So,
Blueberries.
do you guys want cherries? It's got a big basket of cherries.
Okay, guys, so I was looking at some survival stuff because I just felt like it, you know. And now I'm probably gonna go look at some games, see how much controllers are. Because, whoa, we're gonna get an extra Xbox controller so we can both, me and Ethan, can play together on the games at the same time. With some games like Call of Duty and stuff like that. But I didn't really find anything that I really need right now, but I'm gonna ask Mom to get some cool things that I did see that I do want. So see you later. Okay, guys, so I found some Xbox controllers that were like 20 bucks, but I want to try GameStop first because they might have some cheap used ones. Anyway, I'm gonna look for Mom. See you guys later.
Here's our basket.
What is this?
Richie, seriously? They're bathroom wipes.
Can't read.
I can. But
You show it in the vlog.
Oh yeah.
What is this? Bathroom wipe?
I know what it is, but it's like, why would we need that?
Someday you'll understand, son. Someday you'll understand. Baby stuff. I have baby fever. Look at this. Look at all the baby stuff, Richie. It's so cute. Okay, guys, so we are almost done shopping. And I need to find some sweatpants. I don't really like the pajamas that they have for women because the legs are like really wide and they're really like short. And it's like, why can't we just wear regular size things? So let's try to find some regular sweatpants. I think I have to go to the men's section to look for the sweatpants. Let's see. Okay, guys, we're finally home now. I just got home and changed into some more comfortable clothes. I bought some new pajamas today. And we're gonna open up our very first fan mail from Hayley. So we're gonna do that in a few minutes when everyone is ready, and stay tuned. Okay, guys, so now we're ready to open our first fan mail, and this is from Hayley. It's probably been sitting in the P.O. box for a while. We didn't go check it till today. We've been meaning to, but we didn't get to it yet. Okay, so there's a letter first. Hush. Sorry, that was the dog. I have to tell him to be quiet. Okay, so we're gonna read the letter first. Dear Travel Cats family, I have been watching your videos for almost 2 years now, and I love watching you guys go on your crazy adventures around the world and relaxing in Oklahoma. I'm really enjoying your wonderful, positive videos. I drew some fan art for you. Probably not that good. Let us be the judge of that. Let us be the judge of that. I also got you guys each a small gift. Hope you make more wonderful videos and have a blessed day. With love, Hayley. Thank you so much, Hayley. That's wonderful. We love it so much. We really do. Okay. I think this is the fan art.
Oh, that's really good. Really good.
Oh, I love it.
That's so cute.
Aw, this is beautiful, Hayley. We really love it.
So cool.
Isn't that awesome, you guys?
Wow.
Great job, Hayley. I think it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, now we have a picture of Hayley. Awesome. 11 years old, 2017. Isn't that cool? I would show the picture, but I don't know if I have permission to show the picture, so we're not going to show the picture. But you're very beautiful, Hayley. Okay, this is for Ethan.
Thank you.
That's so cute. Let's see. This is for, if I could get it, it's stuck in here. Uh-oh, which one is which? There's 2 on this, but I'm not sure which one's supposed to be on this. I think this one is, let me see. I think this one is meant to be for Richie. So, there's yours.
So cool. It's gonna be sitting on my desk.
And here's for Alex. It's a keychain. And here's for me. Oh, a necklace. Oh, thank you, Hayley. It's
Thank you so
gorgeous.
much.
I'm gonna put it on right now. I have to put my keys on this.
Walk around town. Arm down.
Okay, how do I do
That's
this?
so cool.
If I could do this. There we go. How does it look, you guys?
That's pretty.
That's pretty cool, Hayley. We really like the gifts so much.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Yeah, and we appreciate your fan mail, and we will cherish this forever, seriously.
Yeah.
Like, this is our very first fan mail, and you guys are special. We've enjoyed you guys interacting with us on our channel. You guys always have something nice and positive to say, and we love you guys so much. So we will talk to you later.
Bye. Bye.